guys, and welcome back to Marley's Beauty. In this video, I'm actually showing you guys an eye look using this palette that I bought in my last vlog. So if you guys didn't watch my last vlog, definitely go and watch it. You're gonna see when I bought this palette, and I promised you guys in that vlog that I would do a makeup look using this palette, and here I am now doing a makeup look using the palette. Now, this is super cute because first, the packaging on it is adorable. Inside, you have a mirror. It's just perfect. Then, you have light colors, shimmery colors, dark colors. The colors are super pigment. So, you got Heartbreaker and you got BFF. Extremely pigment. Now, this is perfect because you can put it in your bag. It's not going to take up room. You can put it in your suitcase if you're traveling. It's not going to take up room. And on top of it, you can do a complete eye look using it. And yeah, if you guys want to see how this makeup look came out and how I did it, all you have to do is just what? Keep on watching. So the first part I'm going to do is my foundation. So I'm just going to put my foundation on, and I'm probably going to fast forward through that part because it's nothing special. It's just me putting on my foundation. So I'm going to put my hair on my face so you guys can see my makeup better. We're gonna go straight to the eyes. If you guys watched my vlog, you guys already saw that I bought this from Sephora, and this is what we're going to be using to do our eyes today. And the colors are just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that's what we're going to use. So I'm going to be using, okay, I'm going to use Whisper up here for my lid. So I'm going to put that all over our lid to brighten everything up. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. Wow. So I'm just going to pack that onto our lid a couple times until, you know, for our crease, I'm going to use First Kiss right there. It has a little shimmer to it. I'm going to put that all into our crease like that. So we're just going to keep blending that out. For the corner of our eyes, I'm going to use BFF. And I'm just going to put it in the corner of the eye. Like that. So in the corner, and then I'm blending it in. Alright. Then I'm going to get Whisper and Wink. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. Not all over, actually. Just, you know, 2/3 of the way. So, not all the way. Then for the bottom of the eye, I'm going to put BFF for the bottom. And I'm gonna put it just a little bit. Not the whole way, just from the corner to the middle. Okay. And then for the beginning of the eye, I'm going to use Whisper. So into my tear duct and wherever I didn't put the dark, I'm going to put the light. Like that. So now I'm just going to draw on my eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this color for blush. And then to highlight, I'm going to be using Carly Barlow's palette, and I'm going to be using the first one. And this is Elf's highlight brush. And then to set my face, Wet n Wild. And then for lips, I'm just going to put baby lips. And that's it. That's the completed look. So this is the end of the video. This is how the makeup came out. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed, all you have to do is give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to Marley's Beauty, please subscribe to Marley's Beauty. Now, Marley Beauty is out.